Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a YouTube video to your YouTube playlist. So in order to do that, first open the video you want to add to a playlist, and as you can see from this animation, from this tab, what you need to do is just swipe left, and from here you will see this save button. From now what you need to do is just hold and tap and hold here, and after that this animation will pop up this box. What you need to do here is create a playlist, and if you have a playlist previously, you don't need to create one. But if you want to create a new playlist, then just tap here, type the name. So for me, I'm just typing test, sorry. And as you can see, yeah, you can do it private, so that no one will see. If you do it public, then everyone will be able to see on the internet. So after doing this, creating a private playlist, if you want for the playlist only for you, then you can do private, or if you want the entire internet to see your playlist, you can do it public. So after that, create it. As you can see, it says created. Then again after that, you just hold it here once, and as you can see, now your video, this video, is automatically saved to your new playlist. So yeah, that's how you make a playlist and save YouTube video inside your playlist.